This is a First Alert 5 weather alert.
Yeah, our First Alert 5 weather team is out in the community to help answer your questions about the weather. And I did make some new friends recently, and one of them was very curious about lightning. Do you have a question about the weather, and what is that question?
How does thunder come?
Great question. How does thunder come? So it's all about the heat of lightning. So lightning actually is hotter than the sun, about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's that temperature change that creates a shock wave, which creates the sound of thunder, just like a sonic boom from a jet. And of course, we know that lightning is very dangerous. So I always teach children the phrase, when thunder roars, go indoors. That's definitely the case for us this afternoon, as we have a severe thunderstorm watch in place until 10 o'clock tonight. And we do have some powerful storms working their way through the plains. So the wind gust potential moving through Wiley and Lamar right now up to 70 miles per hour. Likely within this line, you'll experience some gusty wind ahead of the storm, and then potentially up to 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts as the storm blows through, and then really heavy rainfall, and then it just totally clears out. So this severe thunderstorm warning moving into Prowers County will be in place until at least 7:30. This section of the thunderstorm could gust up to 60 miles per hour, moving through Cheyenne and Kit Carson counties. Eventually, this entire line of storms will be moving into Kansas, and then our severe weather threat will greatly diminish after that. Behind that main line of storms, we do have a few scattered showers and looks like a thunderstorm now in northern Teller County. So some of that leftover activity will likely linger with us through this evening, but the main concern will be those strong wind gusts moving through the plains right now, and any late night showers should wrap up between about midnight to 1 a.m. Will stay pretty humid in the overnight. Friday will be very similar to today. We'll warm up nicely with sunshine, high temperatures near average to the 80s and 90s. And then right around lunchtime, those showers develop in the mountains and I-25, and then they work their way eastward as they gain strength. So once again, on Friday, we'll have the risk of some severe wind gusts and potentially a few severe thunderstorm warnings. We'll also have that risk for flash flooding at the Aspen Acres fire with heavier precipitation. These storms will move east through the plains through Friday evening, probably clear out into Kansas by 9 o'clock, and then things should ease up across our region by that point. So our flash flood watch that has now been in place for 2 afternoons will be reissued for Friday from noon until 8. The highest risk in the burn zone will be for fire crews and returning evacuees and for infrastructure. So please heed all flash flood warnings in this zone. The flash flood warnings will happen almost immediately once rain starts. There is some smoke and some fire activity today on the spots that did not receive rainfall. So there is smoke being output by the fire still, but it's a lot less smoke than the past week and a half. And a favorable wind direction will keep clearing out the smoke that is emitted from this fire into tomorrow. So tonight we'll drop to the 50s and 60s. Temperatures near average tomorrow, 80s and 90s. Then after that, unfortunately, the heat, the sunshine, and the wind does return. So especially into early next week, we're getting quite gusty. And we'll have sustained winds around 10 to 15 miles per hour, but frequent gusts kind of all day long, up to 30. And that's going to be the status quo for a while. So yes, I do expect more fire activity at the Aspen Acres fire next week, as these conditions will remain very similar every single day with mid to upper 90s and breezy conditions. So we really want to have that rain tomorrow while we've got it, because it'll be going away for the next week ahead.